Hello and hope you're having a great day. My name is Al-Mosawie, and today I want to be sharing with you life lesson number 2, creating DIY stationery. So if you have a mug that you really like and you want to create some DIY stationery around it, all you need to do is get some matching wrapping paper, scissors, and some tape. Find a couple of notebooks of any size and shape that you like, and an empty chocolate box and a container. And then you should be ready to get on this task. All you need to do is put your gift wrapping task to the skill and turn the chocolate box into, you can use the lid to store some stationery items in it, and the actual box to store anything that you like. The same thing with the notebooks. All you need is to cover the front page so you don't have to use a lot of the gift wrapping paper, and you'll end up with a few matching stationery that you can enjoy while you're sipping on with your mug. It's a simple and cost-effective way to enjoy some stationery if you're a person like me who likes to have stationery. And that was it for today's video. Wishing you love and peace.